Hello friends, welcome to the another beautiful day of Nature Art Journaling program. And today we're gonna pick up a topic which is very interesting, and that is wildflowers. Have you ever observed those weeds on the side of your park, in the side of the road, and you have those small little white flowers or the yellow flowers and sometimes the pink flowers too? Yes, the wildflowers. They are immensely beautiful. Have you ever observed them? If not, just go for a walk today, look around, and you would definitely find some weeds and some flowers. We have a big lesson to learn from these flowers. कोई भी नहीं देखता, but वो अपने हिसाब से, अपने किस्म से bloom करते हैं. They are happy, they are enjoying their little pleasures of life. It's a very big learning for us and for our children. It is not mandatory, it is not needed that everybody needs to observe us and everybody needs to appreciate us. We need to be happy within ourselves. Happiness is an inside job. Yes, so we need to learn this, that it is not dependent on somebody else. It is by ourselves. And what a good example is to experience and observe these wildflowers blooming all over, in spite of all the hard things and everybody trying to take them off, but still they bloom. So express your feelings, draw these wildflowers, write for yourself an inspiration, and make it a learning for yourself that yes,